Want to be a millionaire? Listen to this. The desire to become a millionaire is stronger than ever in 2023. But how can one wade through the sea of opportunity when there are so many routes to wealth? Today, we go right to the point and provide you with important information that might change the course of your financial life. So fasten your seatbelt as we set off on this exhilarating journey to learn how to make millions. Imagine living in a society where the money comes to you with ease and your bank account grows every day. You awaken to be an abundant existence without money concerns. But how do regular people get so incredibly wealthy? Is opening the gates of fortune only a question of chance, or is there a method to it? On this fascinating voyage, let's find the solutions together. Point 1. Investing has power. The power of investment is our first key to unlocking the road to becoming a billionaire. Although it could seem frightening, investing is just putting your money to work for you. Compound interest may work its magic if you invest your money wisely in a variety of assets, such as stocks, properties, or enterprises. Your money rises enormously over time, opening the door to unfathomable fortune. Even if you're never interested before, how can you get started? Point 2. Accepting side jobs. The realm of side businesses is the next destination on our tour. There are innumerable options in today's fast-paced world to convert your interests or talents into successful businesses. The digital sphere has made it possible for regular people to create additional revenue streams through freelance labor and online enterprises. In order to acquire financial wealth, one must work smarter as well as harder. What innovative side businesses might you start to increase your income? Point 3. Developing your saving skills. Although saving money may not seem exciting, it is a crucial part of building wealth. Making deliberate financial decisions is more important than just reducing your spending. Your chances of achieving financial success increase when you put your long-term objectives ahead of your immediate desires. How can you maintain discipline in your saving practices? Point 4. Making the most of the digital age. The way we do business and interact with people has been completely transformed by the internet. Understanding technology's tendencies and embracing it might help you find new ways to make money. The digital era has turned apparently common people into millions, from social media influencers to online content producers. What are the most promising digital possibilities available right now? Point 5. Innovation and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship and invention are two of the most exciting routes to financial success. Entrepreneurs might establish lucrative firms by spotting market gaps or coming up with novel solutions to issues already in existence. Though the road may be difficult, individuals who are willing to think beyond the box may experience great benefits. How can you develop an entrepreneurial attitude and recognize profitable opportunities? Point 6. The value of ongoing education. Never undervalue the power of knowledge when pursuing money. The most successful people are always learning and developing. Continuous learning is the driving force behind converting dreams into successes. Whether it's keeping up with industry trends, developing your abilities, or looking for mentoring. What are some practical strategies to broaden your horizons and continue learning? Point 7. Smart debt management. Although it can seem contradictory, effective debt management can be a useful tool on your path to financial success. Using debt to expand a business or invest in assets that will increase in value can produce larger profits. To ensure you're making wise financial decisions, you must make the distinction between good and bad debt. How can you utilize debt wisely to hasten the process of accumulating wealth? Point 8. Developing a positive money mindset. Your money views can have a big influence in your financial outcomes. Developing a good money attitude entails breaking free from limiting ideas and embracing an abundant mindset. By visualizing your achievement and believing in your potential to attain it, you set the stage for attracting riches into your life. How do you alter your thinking from scarcity to abundance? Point 9. Establishing a solid support network. There is frequently a large support network behind every great millionaire. Surrounding yourself with others who share your vision and goals may give crucial advice, motivation, and networking possibilities. You can help each other reach new levels of financial achievement if you work together. How can you locate and develop a supportive community to help you on your journey? Point 10. Diversifying income sources. Consider diversifying your revenue streams to strengthen your financial basis. Relying on a single source of income exposes you to economic swings. Diversifying your enterprises, investments, and assets creates a safety net that assures your financial security even in difficult circumstances. How do you find and build several revenue streams to protect your wealth? Point 11. Tax planning and optimization. Smart tax preparations is essential while pursuing millionaire status. Understanding tax regulations and making the best financial decisions may result in big savings. You may keep more of your hard-earned money by using legal tactics such as tax-efficient investments and deductions. What are some efficient tax planning strategies for maximizing your wealth-building potential? Point 12. Long-term perspective and patience. Becoming a millionaire frequently entails playing the long game. While it may be tempting to pursue instant victories, long-term wealth is generated via patience and a long-term vision. Recognize that success may not come immediately, but steady progress towards your goal will give rewarding rewards in due time. How can you keep your patience and focus on your long-term financial goals? Point 13. Adaptability in times of change. The world is always changing, as are the prospects for financial success. Staying ahead in the quest for millionaire status requires being adaptive and receptive to change. To capitalize on rising trends, embrace new technology, burgeoning sectors, and altering consumer behaviors. In a fast-changing environment, how can you remain adaptable and modify your financial strategies? Point 14. Volunteering and philanthropy. True riches extend beyond monetary benefits to encompass making a good difference in the lives of others. Giving back to society and engaging in charity not only gives fulfillment but may also add to your overall sense of plenty. How can you include philanthropic endeavors in your quest to become a millionaire? Point 15. Conscious spending and lifestyle decisions. As your money develops, you must be conscious of your spending patterns and lifestyle choices. Avoid mindless consumerism by focusing on investments and experiences that match your long-term goals. How can you find a balance between enjoying the results of your labor and remaining fiscally responsible? We've traveled on a thrilling voyage of discovery and gained crucial knowledge about how to become a millionaire. Every piece of knowledge is essential to the pursuit of financial success. From wise investing, embracing side hustles, and mastering the art of saving to leverage the digital age, entrepreneurship, continuous learning, smart debt management, cultivating a positive money mindset, creating a strong support network, diversifying income streams, tax planning, having a long-term vision, adaptability, giving back, and mindful spending. Remember, you hold the key to your financial future. With this information and unyielding resolve, you can plan your way to the life of a billionaire. Continue on your path to excellence by remaining devoted, interested, and eager for information. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Subscribe to our channel to learn about more intriguing subjects and financial techniques. Until next time, keep thinking big, working, and shooting for the $1 million milestone.